Hello all, welcome to Study Table. Our today's topic is 14 Principles of Management by Henri Fayol. Here in today's session, we'll try to understand all the 14 guidelines, principles given by Fayol. And of course, session खत्म होते होते हम ये भी जानेंगे कि 14 principles को याद कैसे रखा जाए. Like a little shortcut magic trick, okay? Okay, now let's start with firstly knowing who is Fayol, where from he belongs, and उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी why he felt the need to develop these principles. His full name is Jules Henri Fayol, born in Istanbul, Turkey on 29 July 1841 and completed his life journey on 19th November 1925 in Paris, France. He was a French mining engineer. अपने करियर की जर्नी में उन्हें मैनेजमेंट में कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट के स्कोप और ज़रूरत दिखाई दी. इन्हीं स्कोप्स को और नीड्स को स्टडी करते हुए he discovered 14 universal principles of management which serves as guidelines for smooth functioning of the company. And because of his great contribution in management field, he is popularly known as father of modern management. He was the first to give the function of management in terms of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Now let's have a look on all the 14 principles of management. I know the list is little lengthy, but as I said, at the end we'll discover how to remember this as well. Firstly, let's understand. Our first principle is order. According to Fayol, there is a place for everything, and everything should be at his place. That means हर चीज की अपनी एक जगह है और वो चीज अपनी जगह पर ही होनी चाहिए. To avoid the mess and confusion. Absolutely, that will lead to specialization. Next is discipline. Following rules and regulations, obey your manager, stick to the norms are known as discipline, which is must for the organization to succeed. One more very important tip by Fayol that there must be a balance between authority and responsibility. This is a basic human nature कि अगर उसके पास ज्यादा पावर आ जाए और कम जिम्मेदारी या जिम्मेदारी कुछ भी नहीं तो वो इसका अनड्यू एडवांटेज लेगा. और सेम इसका उल्टा, अगर जिम्मेदारियां ज्यादा हो जाए और हाथ में पावर कुछ भी नहीं तब वो परेशान हो जाएगा और परेशान एम्प्लॉय कंपनी को अपना 100% नहीं दे पाता. That's why balance must be kept. Now, division of work. That means employees में काम बांटना. ज्यादा काम दे दिया तो he will get frustrated, overloaded, और कम दे दिया तो he will become lazy. और दोनों ही केस में ultimately नुकसान कंपनी का ही होगा. That's why Fayol suggested to divide the work equally among the employees according to their designation, skills, and qualifications. Now we'll move forward to initiative. Here Fayol advising to encourage, to appreciate the employees' initiative. That means listen to their ideas, let them think, share, innovate. This will motivate them, simple. Remuneration. It can be wages, salary, commission, anything. Here Fayol focusing on two main aspects in this. Firstly, remuneration must be decided on the basis of their qualification, skills, and designation. If MBA people getting the same salary as MCOM, which is not justifying, right? And secondly, it must be paid on time without any unnecessary deduction. Aspirate Decomps. वो कहानी तो हम सब ने सुनी है जहाँ एक लकड़ी बहुत ही आसानी से टूट जाती है, but on the other hand, the bundle of sticks were difficult to break, right? Moral of the story is what? Unity, harmony, एकजुट होने की ताकत सबसे बड़ी होती है. Above all, that's why Fayol suggesting managers rather to give individual tasks to employees, assign them teamwork. Scalar chain. हर इंस्टीट्यूट में एक चेन ऑफ अथॉरिटी होती है which must be followed. For example, एक कॉलेज में अगर स्टूडेंट को कोई कंप्लेंट है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो दे कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली गो टू द प्रिंसिपल्स और डीन्स ऑफिस डायरेक्टली. वो सबसे पहले अपनी क्लास टीचर से बात करेगा. अगर क्लास टीचर के पास इसका कोई हल नहीं तो ही विल गो टू द हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट और द कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ द कोर्स. If suppose उनके पास भी इसका कोई solution नहीं, तो then only he will or the complaint will move forward to the principal's desk. Correct? This is called a line of authority. Similarly, instructions, orders will move downwards from principal to coordinator, then to teachers, then finally to students. According to Fayol, this scalar chain must be strictly followed but just in case of emergency only. For the company's interest, this chain can be break with the help of the bridge called gangplank. Now coming on unity of command. Command means orders, instruction, जो किसी को कुछ खास पसंद नहीं होते. And imagine अगर command एक नहीं, दो नहीं, चार, पांच, छह infinite लोगों से आने लगे, तो it creates mess everywhere, correct? That's why there should be only one boss, one commander. Similarly, unity of direction. All the employees has to be well informed about the target or direction to which they are up to avoid the confusion. Employees must keep their personal interest secondary and always keeps organizational interest primary. That means हमेशा company पहले, always on the front. Centralization means keeping the authority at a single center point only, but Fayol suggesting that in case of large companies where it is difficult to center all the information at a single point, decentralize it. Make more center points and delegate them authorities. Equity means equality, which is must and above all. There should be no discrimination among employees irrespective of their caste, religion, state, language, culture, and so on. Now finally, the last one, stability of tenure, means the time period. If we keep employees on a temporary basis, he will not give his 100% to the company. But if you give them job security, they will definitely get motivated towards the job. So इसी के साथ हमने अपने पूरे 14 principles complete किए. I hope all you have understood and have no doubts now. And now, as I promised, we will find out the way to remember it. So here we go. Our shortcut magic trick. Oh Dadi rescues us. Now kindly recollect with me all the 14 principles of management by Henri Fayol. O for order, D for discipline, A for authority and responsibility, D for division of work, I for initiative, R for remuneration, E for Esprit de Corps, S for scalar chain, C for centralization, U for unity of command, E for equity, S for stability of tenure, U for unity of direction, and S for subordination of individual interest. This is how we can easily remember all the 14 principles by this short magic trick. O Dadi rescues us. I hope अब से आपको कभी भी हेनरी फयोल के 14 प्रिंसिपल्स सुनते ही नानी नहीं पर दादी जरूर याद आ जाएगी. And after all, principles तो दादी ही सिखाती है ना? So for now, we'll stop here. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new concept. Till then, Study Table wishes you all the very best. As study makes you smart, you too makes your study smart. Thank you.